Whether you have legal status or not, you have rights if ICE stops you. Hi, I'm Jennifer, immigration lawyer based out of Boston. Let's get into it. If ICE approaches you, stay calm and do not run. Running can be used against you as a sign of guilt. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions about your immigration status. You can confirm your name, but beyond that, say, I am invoking my right to remain silent. Ask if you're free to leave. If ICE does not have a warrant, you have the right to walk away. Never show false documents or lie. This can lead to serious legal consequences. Also, do not sign anything without speaking to a lawyer. ICE may pressure you to sign documents that could harm your case. And if you are detained, request an immigration attorney immediately. Do not answer any further questions until you have legal representation. Also, if you fear returning to your home country, state it loudly and clearly and request asylum. It will trigger a credible fear interview for you. Knowing your rights can protect you in critical situations. Save and share this information and follow for more immigration content.